The worstest part of it is that the kids that she gave birth to are mine, not my master's kids.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My people not be small thing. Wahala be like bicycle. This video when me I see just now shocktalize me like seriously, my people. Hey, one boy they confess, my people, make una help me share this video. They confess how it is the Jogodo in madam, yoga wife for years, my people. Hey, he say all the children where the woman born, he say na him get am. Hey, how that man go feel when he go hear this kind thing, my people? The guy cover his face. Say all the children, say that the woman they seduce am. Does it mean say many women go they do this thing where their husband, when their husband go they go work, though they seduce their oga boy. Now wow, my people, I shocked when I hear this video just now. I shocktalize that seriously, I say I must conscious for my people, make una hear am o. Make una hear wetin dey happen for inside abule. My people not be small thing. As I see this video just now, the thing shocktalize me. So this kind of thing they really happen. The boy they confess life and direct. Make una help me share this video. This video need to go viral, like seriously. So many men have to they do DNA tests for their children. Yes, especially when you get boy for house. He said because now, why in they confess now? Things now they rough the guy. The guy now square one. And the oga set one with big money. You know if you use the money do anything. He said as in there now, you know if you boost of 100,000 for your account. You know get 1 naira again. I make it they confess. Make una help me show the video. Make I put the video. Make una see my people. More than help me show this video. Let this video go viral. Bye.
I've been with my master, I've been with my master for years now. I've been with my master for years, but when he got married, before he got married, I was still with him, and his wife, anytime that my master is not around, she will try her best to seduce me. She will be like, I should come over to her room. Rub her some cream. From there, she will be touching me around, pleading, begging me, please, I should just do this, that my master will not be away, that my master won't be away. That anytime that they will say to me that she will top up the amount that they will give to me to make it more better for me. And I've tried my best so many times to take it off, to conquer the temptation. But it has been a torment to me, and I've tried my best to make sure that it does not work, her plan does not work, but still ended up sleeping with her, because she offered me a sum of 2.5 million naira, and she said that I should just keep it secret and do as she wish. I should follow her way. I did. So the thing continued continuously. I was sleeping with my master's wife. I'm deeply inside of me, I'm feeling bad, but I just can't help it, because I've tried my best to stop, but anytime I tried, she will be threatening me that I can't, that I've already started it and I must finish what I have started. And I have no choice than to continue, because I've already started it up. I'm now committed into it already. So as time goes on, my master later settled me, gave me a good amount of money, and started up my business. But everything started not working well. That was not what I expected. I didn't know that it will end up like that. So just like the money started disappearing. I didn't know what's going on. The business is no more going. And at the first, the business was booming. I was happy. But after a year, going to 2 years, I started having issues in my business. Everything just like losing my money. I can't, as I'm just saying now, speaking with you guys, telling you guys now, I don't have up to 100,000 that I'll say that yes, this is my money. I'm still even owing people that gave me goods on credit, on debt. I'm still owing debts. I'm now a debtor. I haven't even paid off. And I'm scared because it's a big torment to me. I've called her because inside me I felt that like I'm being punished of what I did, which I know is not okay. I called my master's wife, told her everything. She said that it can never stop. Even when I was settled, when my master settled me, like I do sleep with her often. And the worstest part, like the worstest part of it is that the kids that she gave birth to are mine, not my master's kids. I don't know how to just open it up to him. I don't know if I should go and confess all this to my master to be free, but I'm just scared. So everything is just feel like my life is just rumbling.
Because I'm sorry, bro. These kids that you're talking about now, you mean now that how many kids are they?
2 kids, a boy and a girl.
2 kids.
Yes.
And the 2 of them belongs to you, not your.
Yes, to me, not my master.
Are you very sure about this?
Yeah, I'm sure. 100% sure. And I'm scared.
Come on, my people. I don't really know what to say, but seriously, we have heard from this brother over here, and he really, really needs our advice or help. He said, should he go back to his master and confess all these things so that maybe all this that is happening to him can be free or what? But at the same time, he said he is scared. Please, I don't know. Please, anything that is your advice or any way you can help, please just drop it in the comment section. Please, the comment section is open for us. Please, I'll be in the comment section waiting. And if you cannot drop it, and if you think your help or advice, you wish to send it personal, please, you can just send a DM, please. Thank you very much. Please